Hello to everyone. My name is Jörg Schallmeier, technical consultant at Infosim, and I want to present you today some new additional features we added for reporting in combination with tagging. So first of all, I would like to show you that we implemented a new way to add additional tag categories for an analyzer, in a group analyzer window. I selected one part of the default measurement tree, and what we see here is first of all the element filter, of course, and here you can see now additional field tag categories where we can put additional as the name is saying, tag categories for our window. First of all, I would like to show you that the additional categories are not visible right now. I will add a new column by just typing the tag category name here. For example, maintenance name, comma, maintenance start time. As well, I have to take care of the typos as well. For example, link bandwidth. You can do that with all the tag categories we have entered here in StableNet. As you can see here now, we have additional information about the maintenance name. You see there was still a typo of mine. We have again the link management maintenance. Here we go. And these are, okay, there's still a typo. Sorry for that. Yes. This should it be? Yes, correct. Now we can see every information. So I configured some additional information on these devices, like the maintenance. We have here you can see prepared maintenance snapshot, first one, second one, and you can see here comma separated the start time. You can watch for the end time. Whatever tag category you're interested in, you can do that. That was the first part of that. The link bandwidth, yeah, that's all information you can find in the selected tag category. So we do have almost the same in the inventory statistics. That would be the second example. Let me go first to the correct place. I prepared our router lab. So we'll do the inventory statistics. And we can add here as well something like city. I'm not 100% sure. Yes, you can see. So it's all available in the group analyzer window. All right, if we add here as well the link bandwidth, we have as well the option even to filter on that value filter. The column will appear here, link bandwidth, and we can say, for example, please filter just for then contains, for example, 6. And then we will only have the normal filter the way you know it already. All right, so this is not only possible for the normal analyzer. We can use this additional tag categories then, of course, as well in reporting. In reporting, I already created an example let's have a look into. I just selected one. Yeah, we have the SLA. First of all, I selected a tag tree, so I limit that to our router lab. I selected according the statistic types. Yeah, and here again we have in the element filter we can add the additional tag category with links. Yeah, well, the same one. And if we do preview, we have here the additional tags I added to just those two devices. That, as it's just an example, I haven't added this tag to all the devices. Right. Okay. But not only for additional tag categories, we made some changes. We also added a new feature where you can do the column ordering, column selection, column-based filters in the group analyzer. So I will change back to the group analyzer. I will select now again our router lab. I will search in the router lab for a specific, let's take an active one. Yes, this one, sorry for that. Yeah, if we now go for analyzer, I will change the chart type to measurement data, because measurement table, because this is only possible on the table. We leave this, sorry, measurement data. Here you can see that we actually have the min, the max, the average, and so on. And now with this button with options, we do have the chance to filter. We do have the chance to just say, yeah, I'm not interested in the min max. I'm only interested in the average. Yeah, we have the interval. Plus, in addition, we we have here now all the values between the for the certain intervals, 7, 25 milliseconds, and so on. And now what we can do as well is to filter on that device, on that column as well, that we only have values above, let's say, 20 milliseconds, for example, in this case. And now we filtered out, and we can use this as usual with link. We can use this filtering and this table everywhere in StableNet, either in a dashboard or in a map, in a weather map, or wherever you want.